I'm just testing the unit as a standalone system, and what that allows you to do is actually sort of verify that the display works separately from the RF section, which is helpful because it at least narrows down where the fault lies. Now what I've done is, this red jumper here is shorting the interlock out for the power supply, which allows the power supplies to come up. We've got a test point here. These two connectors here on the A3A5 or A3A6 board. These two test points here activate the ROM test program. They're shorted out, and sometimes it says it's necessary to short out these two leads on the other part of the power supply, which enables the high tension. Initially I did this as to some suggestions on the internet, and I got no raster on the screen, but when I connected that up, I had the high tension come up, and obviously I've got something on the screen now. So what it should look like is like this, but it actually looks very similar to what it does on the screen when it's not working properly. We've got this line here with these strange nodes going the wrong way. It suggests these sort of nodes should go down. So that looks to me like there's definitely something wrong there, and it's all starting to at least it looks like it's pointing to this machine, which is sort of put my mind at rest a bit, because there's some sort of specialist ROMs that you can't reprogram them. They're sort of like sealed HP ROMs, and there's a dedicated HP processor in the unit that you can't get hold of anymore by the sounds of it. So it's tracked it down to here. Now I did do a video that I lost somewhere, and I think when I did this test before, I established that if I let this unit cool down before and then repowered it, the fault went away, and then as the vision section of it, the display section of it came up and warmed up, the fault came back. So this is basically what it says. It says if the display remains blank, short the A1, A6, test point 6 and 7, which is that white jumper up there, and that will inhibit the display line, and it has. And then it says instrument check 1 should. This is other tests here, and this is basically when you connect it up to the other unit, the check light 1 will be on, but it was on anyway because there's obviously still a problem with the data line, or a corrupted bit somewhere or something like that. So I'm at this point at the moment. I'm working through. We're going to check these next steps here, and then see if I can possibly narrow it down. But that display is not normal. That's all over the place. It's still got this strange sort of scrambled up stuff here. I'm not sure what all that's about. And we've got this light stuck on here as well. That's not normal. I do a system reset. That light remains on. So it all points to a corrupted memory address or something like that.